Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday. If you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe. As I mentioned, I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Also, if you want to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, I would greatly appreciate that as well. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be my monthly favorites. It's going to be beauty as well as fashion. So without making this intro super long, let's go ahead and get into it. Also, just because I wanted to mention my previous video, I just posted a video doing my friend's makeup. I will make sure I leave that linked in the description box below. You should definitely check that out. I really like how that one turned out. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the beauty products because there's not as many this month, to be honest, but I didn't want to just come up with beauty products just for the sake of making this video longer. See what I'm saying? You're welcome. So the first one that I want to mention is the Tarte Shape Tape. I am in the shade Fair Neutral. I think I got this about a month and a half ago, to be honest, but obviously I wanted to use it for a little bit before saying it was in my monthly favorites. But I really like this because it is a holy grail item for so many people for a good reason, and that is because it is just a great full coverage concealer, which I really need personally because I have really bad dark circles. I have posted a few videos where I do where I show you my bare face without any foundation and stuff like that, and you can see it's very apparent. I'm aware of the situation, but I really love this, and I use this little I got this free It Cosmetics brush a while ago. It's not clean, I'm sorry, just keeping it real, but I use that brush to apply it with, and I love the coverage that it gives me, so I highly recommend that. I am aware that it's about $29 for concealer. Before this, I was using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, which I do still like that, but I find that this gives me fuller coverage, which is definitely what I am looking for. But if you're looking for one that's not as thick or as full coverage, I recommend the Urban Decay Naked Skin one. But back to what my train of thought was about. I'm aware this is $29, but I think it's really highly worth it. Also, with the holiday season, maybe check the website or that kind of thing. It might go on sale again, or you might be able to get a 20% off coupon or something like that. To save you a little bit of money, because I like saving money as well. That is the first item. I highly recommend that one. Love that product. The next item, I'll just go ahead and keep it in the Tarte family. I want to mention the Tarte Maneater mascara. This is just a little trial size, but I have used the full size before. This is almost out, so I actually layered this mascara with the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I'll kind of give a close-up so you can kind of see my mascara today. I really like this one. It's very black. It gives me very nice big full lashes. I was debating on buying this for the Black Friday sale, but the thing is I have an almost brand new It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and then I purchased 2 more mascaras, and there's no way that I could justify having 4 full-size high-end mascaras at one time, even if they are it was a really good deal. It was on sale for $10. If you got that, claps for you. I think that you will love it, or I hope that you love it as much as I do. I really like that mascara, so that's my next favorite for the month. Don't worry though, the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara is still one of my all-time favorite makeup products. So I'm not going back on my word, but that is another good one just because I literally always mention that mascara. So here, I'm mentioning another mascara. The next makeup product I got in my Ipsy bag, and is this brush, and I was a little wary about mentioning this, to be honest, because I'm pretty sure my last monthly favorites, which will be linked down below, I mentioned a different brush for applying eyeshadow underneath my eyes, which I do still like that look, but I like this brush better just because it's a little softer, it's a little thicker, it's not as pointy. That's not a bad brush, but I really like this one, and I really am glad that I got it in my Ipsy bag. I just have a deep plum shade underneath my eyes, if you can kind of see that. Also, I'm aware that my skin's kind of red there, but I've mentioned this before, I just have very sensitive skin, so if I just lightly brush it, my skin will turn red and stay red for a few minutes, so yeah. It is what it is. You can't do anything about it, or I can't do anything about it. But this, I will try to link this, but I'm not sure if I will be able to. But this is the brand, I can't pronounce that, but this is a really good brush. So if you got this in your Ipsy bag this month, that's really cool too. The next makeup product that I want to mention is another one of my holy grail makeup items, but I don't think I've mentioned it in a favorites yet. So anyway, this is the Smashbox. This is the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. Another one of my holy grail I use this every day that I apply eyeshadow, and I apply eyeshadow almost every day. This is just a new tube. I'm almost out of my other one, but I highly recommend this. I have oily eyelids slash eyeshadow definitely creases on me if I do not wear eyeshadow primer. I'm pretty sure. I say I'm pretty sure because literally I've used that product for so long. The next favorite that I want to mention is this Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collaboration. This is the Dream Street palette. I have used this in 2 videos, and I really like how the Thanksgiving tutorial turned out using this palette. Once again, I'll make sure I leave that linked down below. I really like this because I really like the neutral look that I can create with this, but also you do have some fun colors if you want to have also colors on your lids. But what really settled it for me for including this in this favorites is this brown shade right here in the shade Moony, and it is a matte brown and it blends beautifully. Like, this is just such a soft, like, it blends like a dream. I know that sounds cheesy, but it's true. Also, I love this glittery shade all over the lid. I'm pretty sure this is the one that I used in the look. If not, there are other good shimmery options. You have these 2 up here, and then this is also a good all over lid shade, and then I love this for a transition shade, but this is also an option for a transition shade. This is just a great palette, and I believe it's around $15. I'll make sure that I link that down below. As always with my favorites videos and just videos in general, I will leave linked down below all the items that I can. I didn't bring a makeup wipe in here with me, so if you see this throughout the video, that's just because, as I've mentioned before, I don't feel like getting up whenever I start filming, so I really should just bring makeup wipes with me whenever I'm filming, especially with an eyeshadow palette, because I cannot help myself. I have to swatch them. So yeah, little mental note for Hannah in the future. The next product item that I want to mention is my Clarisonic Mia. I use this in my skincare video. I'm aware that they have since, I believe, updated this version that I have. I got this last year for Christmas, but I use this almost every single day. It does a great job at removing my makeup, and I use it with the Purity Cleanser, which I love these 2 items together. I'm aware that this is also a little bit more expensive, but I think that this would be a great item to ask for Christmas, especially because around this holiday time, they have usually sets or they are on sale, so I would definitely recommend checking that out. So I had to get up to feed Milo. If the camera looks to be in a little bit different of a position, that is why. So before I go into like the fashion section of this video, I just want to share a little story time with you guys. So this is the glove, the heat protecting glove that came with my curling wand, and I thought that I left this in the hotel room whenever my brother got married, which was 2.5 years ago. But then I found this glove because over Thanksgiving break I was visiting family, and then I borrowed one of my parents' suitcases, and this was just like chilling in the suitcase. I was shook, you guys, like with this, but I still want to include this in this favorites because it's maroon. I love maroon. You guys should already know that. And I just think it's hilarious because it's just this graphic tee, which all over it says, "I'll think about it." And then at the bottom, it just says, "Nope." This was just too much of a me t-shirt to pass up, and it was only $6.99. Also, whenever it's paired with that cardigan, you can't read the entire thing. So people, I don't know, like, I'm very non-confrontational and kind of shy, so I don't really want people to talk about my t-shirt, but just like maybe they can appreciate it from afar. That's just my personality. And also you can't see the note, but like, I don't know. You could wear this by itself, which I might, but I think like that with a cardigan just looks really great together. So yeah, I really love those 2 items. Also, I picked up from Ross this sweatshirt. I'm not sure what you would classify this as. And to be honest, it's really not the most flattering thing, but you guys, it is so soft and just has these stripes on the sleeves. This was only $11.99, and I love wearing this around the house. I'll also wear it out, but this is just such a soft material. I'm not sure if you can kind of see that. And also it's not overly thick to where it's too hot to wear in the house, you know? So I might like pull up the sleeves or something like that, but I just love that. It's also from Ross. It was $11.99. Love those items. And then lastly, I just have 2 pairs of shoes. They are about the same pair. You'll see what I'm talking about. This is the first one. I got this from Target last fall. They are just this light brown little pair of shoes. I really love these, and I'm kind of a little bit on the taller side. I'm about 5'8" to 5'9", so I like these because the heels aren't too much, but they do, I don't know, like I just feel confident whenever I'm wearing these shoes. I think that they pair really nicely with the jeans. I've also worn these with dresses. I love these shoes for this fall and winter time of year. So I don't think that they have the exact pair of these because I did get them last year, but I will try to link something similar. They are from Target. I believe I already mentioned that. They're pretty affordable, and yeah, as you can see that they wear really nicely. Like, I got these a year ago and I still think that they look great. And then this year I got a pair of black pair because I wish I would have gotten a black pair. I wish I would have gotten a black pair last year, but they are from the brand A New Day. These are also from Target. They're basically the same concept, but just black. I love wearing these two. I think it's good to have a black and brown pair. They are a little bit different though. Mostly just the zipper. As you can see, the zipper on these go all the way down, kind of like at a slant, and these are just more up and down. But I mean, it's basically the same shoe. I love these as well. Those are my favorites from this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, just kind of an honorable mention, I just want to put that out there. I've already talked about this in a video, but Imagine Dragons did release their new album this month. It was the Origins album, and I also have mentioned in a video, I'm just waiting for them to release their tour dates because I am ready to see them again on tour. I love Imagine Dragons. So that completes this month's favorites. What was your guys' favorite from this month? I want to know. Let me know in the comments. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Once again, I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Feel free to subscribe. I recommend hitting the bell notification because that way you'll be notified whenever I post. As I mentioned, I post videos every Monday and Friday. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.